Thank you very much, Ravish. Good afternoon, everybody. It is indeed an honor for me to have all the eminent educationists, academicians of the country with us today on this platform of CEGR. As National President of CEGR, it was a dream when we all wanted that maximum number of vice chancellors, if they can come on a common platform, on a common topic, and share their views on the same. Professor Sancheti is with us, who was the president of AIU. So he may be having such opportunities in past very frequently, having and addressing 60 vice chancellors, 70 vice chancellors, or even the more or bigger gatherings. But for CEGR, this is first time when we are having this opportunity, when we are having 60 plus vice chancellors and precisely around 70 vice chancellors with us today. The idea, as Ravish has mentioned, the idea is that in the light of coming changes, very fast changing scenario is there in education, in the light of new education policy and otherwise also. There are a lot of good practices all of our universities in India are having. We wish that if we could share those practices with our fellow universities and we can create a platform where we can work together. We are advocating an idea of developing a knowledge grid in this country. A grid where we can not only share our ideas, our best practices, but maybe in future we can share our infrastructure too. Whosoever is having the best infrastructure in certain area, that can be made available to the colleagues, to fellow universities. Today, it is a very historical moment for CEGR when 70 vice chancellors and roughly representing around 7 lakh youth of the country are sitting together, discussing on a same topic. We wanted the policymakers to join us today. But then we thought, let the policymakers read our policy paper. Let us first discuss with each other. In CEGR, few years back, we started an initiative, Academia Interface and Academia Relations. Because every time we all are talking about academia industry interface, we forget that it is more important to have academia interface. Such a galaxy of academicians, definitely they have so much to share, so much to do. But due to time constant, we will have very limited time and Professor Sunil Rai will be moderating the session. Earlier, universities had a very specific role, that was creation of knowledge, integration of knowledge, and ensure that application of knowledge is happening. In new world, now knowledge transfer is also one of the key factor every university has to see. Skill development, we have to look into that, the possibility how we can contribute in that, and involvement in economic growth of the society. The nation is today a knowledge-centric economy we are having. So definitely there are more opportunities, more challenges, more possibilities to do, to work together, to collaborate together. And on behalf of CEGR again, I'm thankful to all of you that on a working day, afternoon, complete afternoon, you have spared to join us. CEGR, as Ravish has mentioned, is one of the largest independent not-for-profit think tank of India. We have a membership of around 10,000 people with us. But the most important thing that out of that 10,000, more than 70 plus vice chancellors are with us today. You are nation builders. The country is looking for you, and let us now join hands first to celebrate and congratulate you with all our gratitude. Thank you for joining us. Thank you very much. Over to you, Ravish.